Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a rectangle opacity or make it transparent using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now select this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this comment option. Now click on this drawing tools option and here you will find this rectangle. First I will draw a rectangle and save this. Now click right button and select properties and rectangle properties dialog box open and select your appearance option and this fill color. I'll say this fill color this one and this opacity that means transparent and see this and finally select OK and this a rectangle now transparent and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.